Hey everyone, welcome back to TechWise. If your sound suddenly stopped working, or you're getting the annoying X on your speaker icon saying no audio device installed, keep watching and I'll show you how to fix it. In this video, I'll show you how to properly install the Realtek Audio Driver on Windows 10 or Windows 11, step by step. So let's get started. First, let's check if the Realtek Audio Driver is actually missing. Let's right-click on your Start button and select Device Manager. And let's expand the section called Sound, Video, and Game Drivers. Now, if you don't see the Realtek Audio or it has a yellow triangle next to it, that means the driver is missing or corrupted. If it's not there at all, don't worry, we'll add it back manually. Sometimes Windows hides inactive devices. At the top of Device Manager, click View, then select Show Hidden Devices. If Realtek shows up grayed out, right-click on it and select Uninstall Device. We'll reinstall a clean version in the next step. Now open your browser and let's go to the official Realtek website. I've left the link in the video's descriptions below. Once you're on this page, click the three horizontal lines at the top. And let's expand Downloads. Then click on Computer Peripherals ICS. From the drop-down menu, select PC Audio Codecs. And next to the ALC 892, click on the software link. That should take you to another page. From here, scroll down and let's select the correct driver for your Windows version. Since I'm using Windows 11 64-bit, I'll choose this one. Now, even though it doesn't specifically mention Windows 11, this is the latest Universal Realtek HD Audio Driver that fully supports Windows 11 64-bit systems. Let's go ahead and click on the download icon, agree to the terms and conditions, and complete any necessary prompts such as the CAPTCHA to start the download. One thing to mention is that this site can be really slow, so don't worry if it takes a while. Mine took almost an hour just to download 258 megabyte. So I've went ahead and downloaded the 64-bit to my Google Drive and left the link down in the video's descriptions for fast download. And once it's downloaded, let's double click on the setup.exe file and just follow the on-screen instructions. Just keep clicking next until it's done. When it finishes, it may ask you to restart your computer, so go ahead and do that. After restarting, let's right-click on the speaker icon in the taskbar and select Sound Settings. Look under the Output section and just make sure Realtek Audio or Speakers Realtek High Definition Audio is selected. You can also go back to the Device Manager, Sound, Video, and Game Controller, and just confirm that the Realtek Audio is listed there without any warning icon. If for some reason you're still having the sound issues, I recommend downloading the audio driver from your manufacturer's website. Just search on Google, download Windows 11 audio driver, followed by your PC's name and model. For example, in my case, it's MSI GL75. Now, if you're not sure what your model is, just type sysinfo in the search bar and open the system information, and you'll find it listed under system model. And it should be the first link from the result. And that's it. Your Realtek Audio Driver should now be installed and working perfectly. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to TechWise for more quick Windows fixes like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.